questions later. Want to go? Come and see me later on, and I can issue that retirement or that dismissal for you so that you can go ahead and accomplish what you want to accomplish. I don't want people here who's not going to pull their weight. Either have one foot in the door and have the other one out and can't make up your mind what you want to do. So if you want to go to the gang lights, whether that's his gang or not, by all means, come and see me. I will definitely grant that for you. That way we can make space for people who actually want to come in here and do the groundwork.
Miss
Chief, you got
Flockhart.
anything else?
Treat people the way they want to be treated.
Say that again.
Treat people the way you want to be treated at the end of the day. You know, then if you see something also report it and record and report it. You know, so at the end of the day, you gotta treat people the way you want to be treated.
Oh yeah, I have one more thing, Cody, too. Um, please watch out for RP8, RP13, RP14, and please stop and people. People are recording. If you insult them, you are going. If you insult them, they are going to mute you. Please be careful of how you're talking to people.
As far as hiring event days, that's going to be Wednesday, Friday, and I believe Saturday. So every Wednesday is going to be Green Zone. Every Friday is going to be City Patrol, and every Saturday it's going to go back to I believe.
I think it's Sunday, Cody.
Well, if it's Sunday, then it goes back to Green Zone again. I'm gonna have to re-put out a schedule out in the announcements as far as Discord. Also, if you need to be added to the Discord, you need to tag me in it and go and create yourself a role, so that way I can put you into the Discord. That's the only way that you can be able to get information. Usually, we wait until you guys get to a badge rank first before we start putting you into the faction. Because half the time you new recruits get in, you guys not really back on like talking about. So it saves us the extra energy and time than having to keep going back and forth, putting you in and then having to remove you out because you're not going to be consistent. So consistency is the key. If you're not going to be consistent, you're going to end up getting dismissed. Simple as that. Like I said, these factions require the bare minimum of 2 hours. I don't care if you give me one. As long as you in here doing something and posting your daily reports, I don't care what you do. In order for you to get your rank, you got to be online. If you ain't online, you ain't getting that rank. You're going to be staying right there in that same spot. And like I said, once I start seeing it get to day 1, day 2, all the way up to day 7, you will be automatically dismissed from the faction and removed from the chat as well, too. So if you got IRL stuff going on, please keep us posted. Don't give me a whole story about your background and your life and what you got going on, because I don't care about all that, honestly. Just let me know, hey, look, I'll be off for a couple of days. All right, cool. So that saves you from being dismissed. Now, do any of you guys have any questions? Now the time to use a taxi mode so we can move on. My bad, JJ. All right, so nobody has any questions.
I do.
All right, go for it.
All right, I got a question. So you said with the whole, speaking to people respectfully. If you have a certain relationship with somebody, right? Is it okay to talk to them? Or like how me and you be talking?
Like me and you be joking and playing, and that's fine. Everybody got certain people that they can joke with and they don't really, rock with in that type of way. Like I said, always be mindful. Be mindful of who you joking with, who you around. If y'all in the car riding together, that's fine. But if you inside the garage and you talking about something that somebody else gonna perceive as being offensive, go somewhere more private. Floor 2 somewhere, or Like I said, somewhere in the cut in the patrol car and y'all just bullshitting around talking. That's fine. Just be mindful when you're inside the garage around everybody else, because people be recording.
Right. Okay. Understandable. Also, the lap thing. What is that? For everybody or for the person that causes the offense?
That's gonna be for everybody. If one person leave out this garage during hiring event, best believe we fixing to be running some laps as a unit. You know, and that's what they used to make us do.
Please don't leave, y'all. I don't want to be running no 30, 20 laps, man.
Man, I'm in here burning shit.
So I'm gonna put it this way then. Before King goes or Asia goes, I'm gonna put it up to the best. That's
As I'm lagging.
That's her.
I was thinking the same thing.
Hold on one second. Can y'all hear me now?
Yeah, you're
Yeah.
fine, Mom.
Yes.
Okay. So like I was saying, oh my God, my kids is yelling. Sorry about that. I said I'm leaving it up to the vested officers. If y'all are on during the hiring event days and y'all see anybody getting ready to leave, that is a badge officer. Matter of fact, because Cody said that goes for everybody, including I guess the unbadged officers. Cody.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you see anybody getting ready to leave, PD, stop them. If they don't listen, make sure you contact either me, Cody, or Miss Walcart in the lobby chat, letting us know that the person left. Or if you see us, letting them know that they left. So that way it covers everybody. But be warned again, if you're not watching and you're letting them go, you're just as guilty.
And I want to make this perfect because certain people don't understand their positions, right? I want you guys to start following the proper chain of command. Anybody that's in a vested position, whether you got the scarf is always going to be the highest ranking officer online, right? And those are the people that you need to listen to. People that don't have a scarf around their neck, there's technically the unbadged supervisors and the unbadged officer supervisor. So whatever they're telling you guys to do, that is what is expected of you to do, regardless if they're in your unit or not. If they're asking you to do something or they ask you not to do something, you're supposed to follow through on that, right? And if there's an issue with an unbadged officer, if you need to talk to somebody, you need to go straight to the colonels and let them handle that before they pass it up to us. Nothing should really be reaching the DFGs or the FG. Everything needs to be going to either the major generals and up. Follow that proper chain of command from now on. If you don't follow that proper chain of command, we're gonna have some problems. So nothing should be reaching the DFGs or the DFGs or the FG at this point, because y'all got a whole lot of people to go through as far as proper chain of command. Badge officers, you need to start studying the RP rules and stuff like that, because we're gonna start randomly pulling y'all in the office to conduct these vested interviews so we can move y'all up the ranks. It don't make sense that some of y'all are still badged and still in the same position and haven't moved up yet. So you got to look at these things through Discord. If you need help with that information, I can provide that for you. Other than that, if you don't take the initiative to do what you need to do, you can stay unbadged, or either better yet, you can go ahead and retire. It's really up to you. Don't make me no difference. Right now, unbadged don't have any responsibility, but they still have to listen to you guys. Right now, their main goal is to focus on MPs and mission patrols and stuff like that, so they can get up to a badge. Once you achieve getting a badge, your main focus needs to be riding out more to gain more experience, having more conversations with the civilians out there on the street. It's not always about getting arrests, right? And the more arrests you get, the more medals you will receive as well too. So if you constantly arresting people, yeah, you're gonna start. Your ex people are gonna get there pretty quicker than doing NPs, in my honest opinion, based off of my experience from being everywhere else. So yeah, you do get medals for making arrests, but it's not always about that. So try to RP things out, have conversations with people, and keep it light and keep it moving. Be careful when you interact with these gang members as well too, because it can be perceived as gang affiliation. So be mindful of what you're doing and what you're saying. Flirting and all of that. Be careful. Because if something pop up and it comes across our desk, we're gonna have to deal with that accordingly. Right? So you out there flirting with these guys or women, and they come back to my son, okay, you harassed me, even though it might have been neutral between the two of you. But you never know what he or she may do. So keep that also in mind. Because a ticket can be filed and you will get dismissed for RP14 as well. So be careful. Even I got to be careful as well, too.
Also, I believe that to be earlier, not 100% sure, I think it is, that rank ups will be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. Oh,
All right, so nobody else have any questions, right? Because I'm looking at y'all bar. Rank ups are going to be every night as well, too. I'm going to stop those who reach the lieutenant position because you got to get your interview first. So as soon as you get to that part and that bar is full, you'll be pulled in for your interview. I may just start pulling you in anyway. And if you pass, then when it's time for your XP bar to be full, I can automatically rank you up to a vested officer at that point. I want to see too many MPs going on as far as my colonels and down at this point, including the unbadged. It's all right if it's just you online and there's nobody else that you can ride out with, but I need you to start getting more experience working in your units, ducking traffic stops, remembering your macros, shit like that. You feel me? So yeah. Other than that, ain't got nothing else to add on. We good. We straight. Chief, you got anything else you want to put on that jank before we dismiss this month?
Ace, come up here in front of me.
That's you, boy.
is you about to do what I think you're about to do?
Yeah.
Hey, stand in front of the chief.
He's not quite there yet, so go ahead and tase him. He'll be there in a minute, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring him up.
Bald-headed man. Congratulations.
That's messed up. Okay, how you beat me to it?
Isabel, if you want to tase me, you can once I get up. If
Oh, I'm going to tase you as soon as you get.
You won't.
I just reset your tape.
All
am I
right, also,
pulsating on the floor?
one more thing real quick. Make sure y'all do y'all daily reports because I'm fixing to go check them janks real quick to see if y'all did it before I give you that rank. So make sure you turn your stuff in. And congratulations to you, my boy.
Thank you.
Congrats, Chase.
Thank you.
Well deserved.
Nobody's due for a rank up but Ace.
He's the only
I
one.
did
Everybody else
do
was
my,
ranked up yesterday.
I did do the daily report of one of the arrests from last night, Cody. I put it in the wrong place. It's in another file in the police chat.
Change it to the file it's supposed to be at.
If you got it in the wrong file, then I need you to delete it. Copy it first, then delete it out that and put it in the right one because that's where I'm gonna be checking to see if it's in there. Like I said, if y'all don't have y'all daily reports in there, I don't care if you're making an arrest or not. As long as you put something in there, that's all that matters. As far as your body cams and stuff, I'll be paying attention if y'all be out there arresting because it pops up in the chat. So, yeah, make sure you post them jinx and we be straight.
I'll fix it after this and after I help the RP.
The rest of you guys that are unbadged, stay right here till they get your macros checked out. And they're gonna take you down for RP training, and we go from there. Yeah. So can I get a salute real quick, so we can go ahead and dismiss?
Hold. What in the world? Anyway.
I swear to God, if you AFK, we really gonna have some problems. Y'all better start saluting.
Shooter, Asia.
I'm worried about this radio chat. I'm not. My mind ain't on.
I'm gonna put it like this: Christian is gonna find line.
All right, everybody else is dismissed. Y'all good to go. Not you.
I got a question.
Come back. Come on back in, man. Come back. You ain't
Come back.
finished.
Yo, I finished my macros.
I was doing RP training.
You're not allowed to leave.
I was doing
And it
RP
was-
training
and it
when the
was
meeting was
bullshit.
Skrill, go do the RP training.
Yo, I finished my macros.
I was doing RP training.
Skrill, get off your mic. Go do the RP training, Skrill.
Yo, JJ.
What's up?
Everybody else that was hired tonight is in here.
I finished my macros.
Let me see your 32, 37. That was the only one you needed to fix.
I redid them all.
All right, then we're gonna run through them again. Roll them all up.
So
How
I'm
many
doing the
fucking-
green. I'm doing green zone macros or no?
Yes, everybody here is getting green zone macros.
Okay, that's what I was trying to figure out, sir.
So all y'all gonna be in the same unit working together.
So do you?
You want me to just start like from the beginning?
You can start from there. My body's rolling the entire time. We're just gonna wait. And Kaden. Yeah, me and
Yeah, okay.
yeah, buddy. Yeah, I'm never joining any games. I don't care if I get fired. I'm still not joining any games. Like, no, game life's not for me. In a different server, I'm part of one, but of course they don't do anything to help me out. Like, where are they? Okay, so we're just gonna go back to where he said PDG. We're gonna go from there after he gets back wherever he is.
So we doing aggressive training, right?
We're gonna
I
Where
think
we
this one's
start?
the passive, and then the next one's aggressive.
yeah, we're still on passive. So whenever
Who's
he
training
gets back
for it?
here, we're gonna finish. I'm training him right now. It's Squirrel or this guy. I can't say his name.
Screw. Okay, so Screw is training, which means he's the driver of the PD car. We don't need a backup right now. So am I
Yep,
doing
I just
the
have it out.
aggressive? So I'm
I
gonna
just
be
have
the
the car out.
driver.
I gotta give you the keys though.
Okay.
I gotta give you
Move
the
this.
keys.
I'll move this car. I'm using my own car.
Okay. I'll move it. I turned it off. Darn, man, you turn my diesel off. Come on.
Did I?
Yeah, whenever somebody gets in, it turns it off. Oh, there's Mom. Alright, can you get in the Dodge over there for... Alright, thank you. This one over here. Okay, so I'll be the radio. So what it's gonna be? You're still gonna do the same thing. Nope, the Dutch one, not in there. No. You're gonna be the backup. You're gonna be in this one here. Yep, this one. So it's. Can you move forward so I can walk through, please? Thank you. So it's just gonna be the same thing. It's the same radio chat. Besides, when she gets out and starts to shoot at the ground or your cruiser, you're gonna put backup needed, and then you're gonna put the, and then you'll hop out with your taser, or tasing her, and he'll come in, and he'll help you with tasing her, and then you're just gonna cuff her. You'll request for a female to come, which we don't have one. I should get one. Oh well. But yeah, we'll see how you do from there. Okay, you guys ready?
So we're doing
Yeah,
the
I'm ready.
aggressive, and I'm gonna just do the taser. So you want me to do the whole thing, but just do it aggressive, I guess?
Yeah, we're gonna we'll finish his passive and then we'll go straight to aggressive.
All right.
Is that alright?
So pass
Copy.
first.
Alright, we'll start right now.
All right.
I'm trying to find the macro.
Yep,
Take your
it
time.
doesn't have to be that quick. Take your time. It's not like it's an entire test.
Hey, how you doing today?
Who are you?
Don't forget your name one.
Oh yeah, I put up the macro, bro. Hey, what's up? My
Oh,
name's Chris.
Okay, yep, I see it.
Yeah. My name's Chris Earl. I'm a city patrol officer with the West Coast State Police. That's number 2218. You know what happened to pull you over?
No, why?
All right, no problem. Basically, you backed into my vehicle, and that's actually damage to state property. So, everything going good with you?
No, sir. I was trying to hurry up and get home. I gotta feed my babies.
Oh, no, I understand. Well, definitely I ain't trying to hold you up on that. I'm going to go ahead and request some information from you, so if you can, I'm going to go ahead and check that. If everything good, then you'll be able to get home to your babies. Other than that, you'll have to call somebody to get home to. All right?
Okay. I
Repeat
gotta
training?
make sure I got my purse in the car first. Let me check.
Yep, just get behind me and you're
Okay.
gonna see what he's doing.
All right, one more.
Okay. What do you need?
I'm going to request your passport. All right, if you can, just sit right here for a minute. I'm going to go run everything, and I'll be back.
Cal, what are you doing? Get back in your car. This is not aggressive. We need backup. Sir, hurry up. Gotta go. Told you I gotta feed my babies.
Put it in as /Fabi for your radio.
All right. Driving.
I can't hear you.
This RP training?
Hey, Squirrel. You need to fix your mic so she can hear you. So can we. Max, it sounds like you're in rain.
Oh, no, my bad. All right, so Cadence, I ran your information. Everything came back good. Just make sure you pay attention when you're driving and don't damage property or any property. So, go
Okay.
ahead and get home, kids, and be safe. Any questions?
All right. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good night. And then stay in the car. Off the horn 3 times, you can go ahead and pull off.
All right.
I keep coughing, y'all.
Just
My
missing
bad.
one thing. Uh,
Woo. All right, so now we're gonna do what, aggressive?
Yeah, you're just missing your you're just
Last
missing the one
macro.
thing. You're missing your scenes clear macro. All right. What do you think? Did he pass?
Bad, man. I just gotta figure out where the macros at.
I mean, he knows
It's fine.
the concept of it. Yeah, it's all about remembering what it is you have to put in. I think he did pretty good. He just got to remember where everything is to throw it up a little faster.
Yeah. We'll start with our. You want to start with his aggressive, or you want to get these other ones start with their passive right now?
No, it's up to you. Whatever. I'm here.
All right. We'll have the next one start their passive, so we'll just have you stand on the side, and we'll just start with the next one, so then we can get everybody up to speed on everything right now. All right. Down. We'll start with you. You want to hop in the Crown Vic, and we'll see. We'll have you stay in the passenger side, and I'll show you what to do. All right. Hey, Cody or Miss Walkhart, can you be radio, or even
Asian, you know how to do the radio.
Shin? Doesn't really matter who. Can
Do
you
the
be the
radio.
dispatch? All right.
You ready?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Officer Doomsday Daniel. I'm a Green Zone officer with the West Coast State Police. My badge number is 0709. Do you know why I'm stopping you today?
No, sir. Why?
You to the back of the patrol car, and that's part of the public property. Any reason why that you did that?
No, I didn't even see you back there, sir. Maybe you hit my car. I'm not sure.
Alright, I'm just gonna request for your ID and your passport, and then we'll get you out of here and get you on your way.
I guess.
Alright, Miss Candace, I'll be right back with you. I'm gonna get dispatch to run it over, and we'll get you out of here. Alright, ma'am, your information comes back clear. I'm gonna let you off with a warning. Just make sure that you're looking in your mirrors to make sure that there's nobody behind you, and I'll get back in my patrol car, and after the third honk, you can head off.
Okay.
Alright, you have a good one. Stay safe out here.
All right. What my honk said.
Alright. You're gonna hop in. You're gonna hop in the driver's seat, and we'll run you.
Did you pay attention to all the macros that he threw up?
Yep. Okay. You wanna still be the radio?
What?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright, cool, cool.
Okay, so
Red.
like I'm gonna say this before we start. For everybody that's training, normally there's always when you're out on your patrols, there's always 2 people in the car. So normally, right now we're training, but normally the way it goes is your partner who's in the car is the one that's working the radio.
Alright, hey,
Alright.
you wanna hop in the passenger seat with him and be his partner? Just stay in the cruiser and just be the radio.
No. I don't need him to be the radio on Doomsday.
Oh, well
because
then
they
never
have to
mind. You
learn it.
stay out here with me.
Yeah, they have to learn it, so they got to know what to put in it.
Here, I'm gonna close the door really quick.
And just let them know it's gonna be easier because always 2 people at a time. Y'all
We're
ready?
good. You're gonna turn your sirens on.
Where's the siren button at?
You're gonna push 3 dots. You're gonna push the car, and it's gonna say emergency. It'll have your sirens show. It'll be right. Yep, there you go.
So up your first macro.
Okay, what next?
Your next one will be letting them know location.
You'll put traffic stop, hold for location. It will be right under. It'll be right under fight in progress.
Alright.
And then for your location, you're just gonna put /floppy PDG. And then you're gonna do the hello, my name is down. What I do is I do it when I'm in the cruiser, and then I'll head up to the car. But you can do it however you want.
Hold on, pause. Pause. Mr. Darwin,
Yeah.
I need you to fix that macro. You need to it say hello, my name is. It says rank in your name. I need you to put your name in there and give me a 4-digit badge number, please. You see what I'm talking about?
Sorry, I got a message from my. Yeah. What I have for mine, like mine is. I'll throw it up for where is it?
It can be
There it is.
yeah, any number you want.
Any number. I put my birth date, and you can put your birth date or something that you can remember.
Frisco, do the same thing, babe.
And then make sure that you save it as well, so it doesn't remove it. I had that problem so many times I can't even remember the amount of times that I did not save.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Okay, we can start back right here. So you walk up to the car and read that out to me.
Hi, my name's Darwin Raymond. I'm a Green Zone officer with the West State Police, badge number 10.
Okay, proceed.
Know why I stopped you today?
No, sir. Why was that?
What happened? I looked away for a few seconds.
He lagged out.
Oh, his brain popped.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yes, Francisco.
Oh no, it's queso, but I'm ready. I'm ready.
Alright, after we get, whenever he gets back, after he's done and we see how he went, then we'll have you, Francisco, or Queso, and we'll have you go. And then after that, we'll have our passive, or not passive, aggressive. And I'm not good with that, so we'll have Ken just do it.
Yeah, no worries. I just figured y'all wouldn't want to wait. I'm assuming he just was like. I'm assuming he's out. He ain't coming back.
Okay, so I have a question. Are you ready to come and do this without being shown? Is that what you're saying?
I'm pretty confident enough to. The only thing that I might be shown is the macros, but other than that, coming up to the vehicle, letting you know what you did wrong, stating my name and everything. Yeah, I'm confident that I can do for sure.
Okay.
Just the macros.
I'll tell you what. Daniel, throw up every macro he need in order real quick. Watch the screen for me, Queso.
Alright. I'm gonna put hold on macros right now.
You said what?
I'm just telling them to hold on the macros so I can do it. Just turn off your trade so you don't have to be seeing all the trades.
How do I do that?
You're just gonna push where all is. You're just gonna push that trade on that. You're gonna click on that box at the top. You're just gonna click that yellow trade, so then it turns it off. And just yeah.
Yeah, so I'm pressing the trade, right?
You
You're
unclick
just gonna
it.
push the trade button off.
Okay, so everything's gonna be blue.
Yep, everything's gonna show up as blue radio.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, hold on! Don't follow that one.
Okay. Daniel, okay, so the first one he threw it. No,
Yeah, the
that's
first
probably the
one, the pull over your vehicle, that's the first one you're gonna use. And then, give me 1 second. And then, because you don't have it, you're just gonna put /flobby PDG. But if you're out on the streets, it'll be what it is on the macros. And then dispatch will say, dispatch, you don't have to do that one, but dispatch will tell you location. Then that's when you put PDG. And then you'll put your name one, and then you'll put
No. After you throw your name one up, that's when you get out the car.
yeah, or that's what I do. I'll stay in the car. I believe that's what Cadence does as well. Then you'll get there. You'll say say the whole thing, your sentence out, and you'll be like, "Do you know why I'm pulling you over today?" They'll say why, or no. They'll try to like play it out, like they don't understand what you're doing.
And the next will be the follow-up. Will be asking for identification or a passport, correct?
You'll tell them like the reason why I pulled you over today is because you hit the front of the cruiser. Any reason you did that, and then after that, after they say that what the reason was, then you'll be like, okay, well I'm just gonna request your passport and your driver's license, or how do they do it? Cadence, because I just do passport and driver's license.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, and then you'll push on your 3 dots, your badge, documents, click passport and driver's license. But you don't know the player's name, even though the player's name shows on their head, over their head. You do not know their name. Basic rules there.
Yeah.
And you'll
Question
go back
2,
to
would you type up? Do you type up their name, or since I'm standing right
Yes.
near you,
Yes.
I could just click it, or?
Yeah, you'll click on their name, and then you'll click on the passport and driver's license, and then you'll be like, okay, Miss Cadence, I'm gonna go back to my patrol car and run your information. By that, you're just gonna put the /flobby, and you need a 1028 warrant ID check. Then the dispatch will say name, and you'll put /flobby, Cadence, baby, or whoever's in the traffic stop. If they say it comes back clean, then you'll put the 10-4 copy. You go back out, and then you'll go, okay, miss, here's your information back. It comes clean. I'm just gonna let you off with a warning. Just pay attention to your surroundings and make sure that there's nobody behind you. Then you'll tell them that once you get back in your cruiser, you'll honk 3 times, and then they can leave and have go on with their day. And then you put your
honk 3 times, right?
Cody, can you come with me
3
real
or
quick?
2, but what we do is 3.
Okay.
And then you'll put your scenes clear. I'm trying to find it right now. Give me 1 second.
Yeah,
I swear to God, I passed it. I passed it like 5 times already. Oh my lord. Okay. Who did that? I don't even know who said it. Oh,
It's
you
the
did.
code
Okay.
for it, yeah.
Yep.
Correct.
All right.
Okay, come on,
But other than
Mr.
that, I don't think he's coming back.
Come on, Mr. Queso.
All right. Yeah. Okay. So we'll have you go. I'll be radio since I don't know where she went. Her brain probably popped as well, but that's fine. All right. We're ready.
All right. Okay, start over.
You said I'm not doing the macros, right?
Yeah, you are.
No, you have to do the macros for the RP train. So you're gonna put in. This is the West Coast State
I
Police.
thought you said
pull
that you
over.
would just submit them, and I just. Okay,
No,
my fault.
no. Sorry. Yeah, just keep going until he puts his macro on. That's what we do now. Just keep following her. Have your sirens on, and just when you have enough speed, just put in the this is West Coast pull over.
Get back in the car. Get back in. Cut your
You gotta
sirens
put in
off.
your location, or put your traffic stop one in.
Okay.
You're
Your
gonna do
location, no.
slash Flobby PDG.
No, it's not that one.
No, you put you're gonna go to the normal chat. You're gonna put slash Flobby, and then space the word after Flobby, and then you're gonna put PDG, because we're only in the PDG. We're not out in the streets.
It's on the macros, right?
No, you're just gonna add it, but you just put slash PD slash Flobby PDG. Yep, we'll get right back with you down. We're just getting queso up in this one too.
Like that, right?
Yo, I'm back.
I did not see it. You just got to do put here. I'll show you. So it'll be like that, but don't put that dot in it.
Mr. D.
Yes, sir.
My phone died. That's why I got kicked.
Okay, we'll finish in
All
about
right.
30 minutes.
I'm doing it. I don't know why it's just saying PDG.
No, you did it correctly. That's correct. Now you waiting on him to kick back with a 10-4.
Yeah, sorry, I was getting a photo. Somebody sent me a photo and it started lagging me so bad. Alright, you're good to continue.
Okay. Throw up that macro saying who you are first. No, you can come on. Just throw up your macro, say who you are. And Daniel, did Christian come back?
You want me to get him back? All right.
Hey, why did this dude just handcuff me, man?
Hello, how you doing today, ma'am?
Hi, sir. How you doing?
I'm not too bad. My name is Officer Kissel, badge number 1331. I'm with the Green Zone Police Department, West Coast State Police Department. You know the reason why I pulled you over today?
No, why is that?
Hey, you ran into my patrol vehicle. You backed into it.
Oh, I apologize. I had to hurry up and get home. I got to take care of the babies.
Yeah, no worries. Can I, do you mind giving me your passport or your identification?
Sure, no problem.
I believe Cody is upstairs.
Either or, right?
Sorry?
Do I need both, or is it either or?
It's both of them. You ask to request for a passport and ID check. After you do that, you're going to let me know that you're going to go to the car and check my ID. You check my specs, but yeah. Okay.
Okay, yes, just give me 1 second while I go to my patrol vehicle and check and make sure everything's okay.
Okay.
Or are we doing RP training?
Yeah.
Yep.
Fun stuff.
Each looking for 1028.
Just standing here doing this, I'm getting good money from it, actually.
Hell yeah, man.
Chris. Okay.
You gotta do that in /lobby as well. No problem, man. Just take your time. It's not gonna be a rush. Just take your time.
Yeah, 'cause I'm looking at the lobby and I'm not seeing it.
No, go to your regular chat.
No, you're gonna go to your normal chat. You're just gonna put /lobby, Candace baby, and then I'll come back with it's clear for you. Can't have anybody go actually. Shoot.
Jamie, nobody can't go anywhere.
No. Christian, you can't leave. We can't leave with newbies here. That's what Cody said. If we do, then you're going to be running laps. Is what Cody said in the meeting that you didn't come in.
All right, ma'am. I ran everything. Everything's clear to go. I'm gonna let you go with the warning.
Yes,
just be careful and be aware of your surroundings, please.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, you have a good day.
You
Don't
too.
forget that you're going to honk 3 times to her.
Oh yeah, I'll honk 3 times to let you know you can leave.
All right.
Now, don't forget to put in your 10-4 scenes clear. It happens to a lot of us that we forget about it, so it's not gonna be
Okay,
like,
yeah.
a harsh, but just put that in and then you're good. We'll just run through it again just to make sure that you got it all under control without any help. Also with Mr. Down as well. Do we have anybody else that needs the training? Oh.
Yo, me.
Also, Skrill. Or Skrill.
Yeah, what up?
We're gonna run through you again as well, but we're gonna run through Mr. Down here first, and then we'll run through